It's nice to see that people actually clean. I'm in front of Tim Hortons. Someday I remember this way. What is up, you guys? Welcome to today. And the thing about today is it's a snow day. There is massive amount of snow outside. I'll show you guys in a little bit. But to be able to do that, I need to be dressed up properly. So here's what I've got so far. I've got these pants, but these pants are insulated. These are like this. These have 2 layers, and I have another layer of long underwears inside that keeps me warm. So I have 2 layers, technically 3 layers of pants. I have warm socks, as you can see. I have this t-shirt. On top of that, I have this merino wool. So merino wool is really good for winter. Especially for layering, because they're not only warm, but they keep the moisture out. They're moisture wicking and they dry quickly. Now I'm gonna wear some boots. I have my trusty Loa boots. I've had these for a few years, but these are amazing. Secure enough. Okay, I don't want to damage my floor with these now. Now I also have this hoodie on. I don't know if this might be an overkill, but I'm gonna have this with me just in case. Oh, and then I wanted to show you guys this jacket. So this is napapidri or napapikri, or I don't even know how the Norwegians say it. But I love this coat, you guys. I've had this for a few years. And this is heavy duty, but man, oh man, is this good quality. Okay, I'm invincible. I am absolutely invincible. I have some gloves here. And that's how they clean the snow out here, guys. That's how they keep the streets clean around here. It's nice to see that people actually clean the sidewalks, like being just like a normal person on a sidewalk. Today we're taking a little stroll around my neighborhood here in western New York, Jamestown, New York. We're in New York State, towards the western part of the New York, part of New York State. What's so special, what's so different about this particular snow that we're getting right now is this is called a lake effect snow. So we have the Great Lakes, Lake Erie, Lake Ontario, we have Lake Chautauqua here. So all these lakes with their temperature difference, and I'm not exactly sure how, but it creates an effect called lake effect, where the moisture from the lake gets blown in towards the land, the area surrounding the lake. And the thing about these lake effects is that when they dump like a lot of snow, guys. I'm starting to warm up and enjoy this little hike around town. Maybe these footsteps for me. Alright, I'll put my glasses on again. Let's go inside. Alright guys, we begin our way back home. I went to the UPS store. They couldn't track my package. I don't know why. They said they're not a UPS distribution center. Well, that's okay. I went to a little grocery store right here. It's called Pop. Alright guys, I'm in front of Tim Hortons. I'm in this blizzard. Some Tim Hortons sounds really good. And I saw chai latte out there. I think I'm gonna get a warm cup of chai latte.
You recording everything?
I'm making a vlog.
Yeah.
That's all you need, yeah.
Your YouTube and all that too?
I hope to
Shout out to
someday.
all some bitches. Stop, you heard? Yeah, we in Jamestown.
Yeah.
We like Venezuelans, Colombians, Argentinians. If you don't got documents, get over here.
Nice.
We need you, you heard? Wow, son.
Thanks, bro. Oh yeah. Thanks.
Hey, Brody, I see you.
I'll see you, bro. I'll take you, man.
With you.
I'll take you, brother.
Oh, gee.
Okay, 606.
Do you guys have the chai? Do you guys have the chai? Do you have the chai tea latte?
Yeah.
I'm not sure what. I'm gonna keep walking up here because there are too many cars in this. We're walking home, you guys. Just sipping my chai tea latte. Walking in the snow blizzard in Jamestown, New York. You gotta admit, guys, it is pretty. It's really pretty. Looks nice. I mean, the fact that I couldn't get an answer on my package. That dog's going nuts.
People ask me what my secret is, I just smile and say, follow me. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world. Life's too short not to really live. I got a big heart, I can let you in.
Okay, I'm home, guys.
I'm sitting on top of the world.
I don't want to bring all this snow inside the house. But anyways, done with. Not completely done. Yeah, so here's the Tim Hortons chai tea latte, and from someone who grew up drinking chai all my life, Tim Hortons chai tea latte gets a 2 out of 5. I will not order it again. But do they claim to be the original authentic? Maybe just maybe it caters to the common palate. Okay guys, I'm home. Oh. Yes. I'm home. I'm gonna change to normal clothes, get these Wet clothes drying. But thank you for coming along the adventure. I'm so glad I went.